Oh, hey guys, how's it going? How are you today? So guess what? Guess what day is today? Oh yeah, it's pizza day. So today we're going to my old house where I used to live before the Erasmus, and we're going to cook some pizza. And afterwards, we're going to this small concert. There's this band, Ottone Pesante. They're gonna play, and yeah, I'm gonna link them in the description so you can check them out. They rock, trust me, they rock. I'm not gonna tell you which instruments they play. I'm gonna show you. What a nice weather. Oh my god, it sucks. This is depressing almost. If I wasn't supposed to eat pizza tonight, I think it would be even more depressing. So I was thinking I could make some series on cooking or how students cook, you know, and maybe give some tips or something like that. What do you guys think? Would you like to see some cooking series? I mean, not a cooking series. Every now and again, an episode on how to cook something. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I should have taken the longboard. I mean, there is some snow, but looking around, I could have taken it. You know, look. See, it's dry almost. But it's dry enough to ride the longboard. Yeah, too late to go back now. Now I'm going to show you the teaching hub, the place where I study. I go to class. So yeah, this is the teaching hub. Here we have bikes that you can rent and ride around the city. And yeah, that's all me. Maybe someday I will give you a tour of the teaching hub and department for interpretation and translation as well, but not today. I first have to ask them if they let me. I don't know if I have to be given a permit or something like that. So this is one of the coolest streets in the town. During the day is like you can see a lot of cars and stuff, buses, people. During the night it's like empty. You can even walk in the middle of the street. No danger. Looks like we got the red light, but nobody's passing. No. I'm a law-abiding citizen. Come on. I'm not gonna pass with the red light. Green. We're good to go. So here we are, guys. The House of the Infernal R's. As in letter R, not asses. Open. So there are a lot of memories in this house. Like a lot of them. Crazy times, a couple of parties. Well, more than a couple. But still. Pretty nice house. Kind of miss it sometimes. Anybody home? Oh, let me introduce you to this motherfucker. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Say hello to YouTube. He's basically a nerd. He's nerding all the time when he doesn't study. So you're a nerd though.
Yeah.
Nerd and the dark. Yeah. Cool. By the way, his name is Ricardo. Give 5 to the camera. So just to show you how emotionally attached I'm to this house still, I have my own flip-flops here, like for when I come. See? So this is the kitchen. Today is cleaner than usual. Now he's cleaning it too, but you know. So let's start. So in order to make the pizza, we're gonna need some flour and yeast. Like here we go. And salt. And some mozzarella. Tomato sauce. What else? Oil, oregano. This thing. No, I'm just kidding. Water. I don't know the quantities. I just throw stuff there. I really don't know how much salt I'm just, yeah. I'm going with the
Stop now.
nice. Create a well and yeah, just pour it small amount at a time and pour. That's right. Now I think it's the time to add some oil.
In Italy, you put oil in the Sprite bottle. Yeah.
Yep. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the music. Yeah, that's right. And now I think it's time to get dirty. So now we finished and we have to wait for like an hour for the yeast to start to activate and work and stuff, and then we have to work the dough again, and then we have to wait again, and then we can start to actually make the pizza. So the dough is ready now, we just need to beat the hell out of it. Wait. The big boss is here!
Yo man, I'm very stunned.
Say hi to YouTube!
Welcome. Radio Gomblazzo. Who don't like Radio Gomblazzo?
Yeah. Radio Complotto is his radio, and I'm gonna link that in the description.
And like to Abruzzo, best Italian region.
No, it's not true. Not true. Sorry.
Puglia merda.
Emilia Romagna forever. Oh! Say hi to YouTube.
Ah, YouTube! È un video. Hi.
Say hi to YouTube.
Ciao YouTube.
Your name is?
Alessandro.
Wow, quanto sei bello!
Watch the bedroom.
So now we're finished and we're going to the concert. I'll keep you posted. Oh my god, guys, I'm so tired, but the concert was amazing. I can't hear anymore because it was in a very small place and the volume was so high, and I kind of lost my voice too, but it was pretty great. You should listen to them. Ottone Pesante. I'm gonna link them in the description. And yes, well, other than that, the pizza was decent. Yeah, that's all for this vlog. I'll leave it here. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.